Greetings and welcome to PinballHelp. Mike here. Today I'm on location servicing games and I run into an interesting problem that does appear to be another quality control issue with Stern. So the start button on this machine just stopped working, and what happened was the little tab in here got broken off, and I got an entirely new assembly here, including the start button and the thing here. When I was trying to put it on, I twisted it the wrong way and I broke something. You see those white tabs right there? There's a little piece of plastic that's sticking out that clicks on to this little groove right there. But if you turn it the wrong way, it breaks these tabs off and then the thing won't stay. It's really, really weak. If you even just twist it a little bit the wrong way, you break it off and then the whole assembly won't work anymore. This is very frustrating. This is a brand new part that I got and I wasn't quite sure which way to twist it, and in testing it I broke the new part, so now the new part and the old part are broken. I'm going to try to rig this by epoxying the switch holder to the actual outer part of the switch, but this is definitely a problem. These little nubs right here are just so weak. If you push them or turn them the wrong way, they break off and then the whole thing won't work. So again, maybe somebody could make a better version of this. Probably if you don't fiddle with it, it may not break, but be very careful when you're messing with these start button assemblies because they are very poorly made. Now this is nylon and this is hard, but this outer thing here is made of very soft plastic, and so if you twist too hard with that, you put it in the wrong spot, you push in the wrong spot, you break those little nubs off, and that's it. The switch won't stay there anymore. Very, very poor materials here. So hopefully this is something that can be fixed in the future. Another issue, and I'm looking in the cabinet, and you can see, when I see that, I know we got another quality control issue, which is coil stop. You see how it's flexing and weak, so I'm going to have to replace that. There's already a known issue. Look, we've lost a screw right here too. I'll have to find that. So onward and upward, fixing these machines on location, hopefully getting them working, and hopefully the Stern's quality control can be improved a little bit. That's it. Just thanks for watching.